Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, tuloy natin yung PMO 2023 qualifying round playlist natin, but this time, dun tayo sasagot na sa average round. So sa average questions na tayo, Lodi Kicks, especially from number theory. So ito yung problem natin. Find the remainder when the summation of 2023 raised to n from n equals 1 up to 2023 is divided by 15. So sa mga beginner natin, mga Lodigig, siguro mahirap to gawin kasi syempre ang ibig sabihin kasi ng summation is i-add natin yung 2023 raised to 1 plus 2023 squared hanggang dumating ka sa 2023 raised to 2023. Tapos kapag yung sum na yun dinivide mo sa 15, ano daw yung remainder? So siguro ang magiging point of view muna natin sa problem na to is for the beginners itself. How do we evaluate that, Sir IJ? Hindi muna ako gagamit ng mga negative remainders. Siyempre, nagsisimula pa lang kayo, especially yung mga math enthusiasts na gusto matuto ng number theory. Okay, so paano ba natin gagawin yan, Sir IJ? So, ang gagawin natin, so for the first part, simula muna tayo din sa pinaka-lower natin. Yung pinaka-lower bound natin, pinaka-lower natin, which is n equals 1. So, 2023 raised to 1, kailangan malaman natin yung remainder niya kapag dinivide by 15. So, lagay natin dito sa column na to remainder. So, mga modulo-modulo kasi yan, pero sige, gamitan na lang muna natin ng ganito. Next time, turo ko sa inyo yung mga modulo, especially sa mga number theory. So, kapag 2023, dinivide natin by 15, okay, tama ka dyan, Lodi Cakes. So, pwede mo siyang i-divide manually, ang makukuha nating remainder ay 13. Okay, so baka gusto nyong i-check pa, pwede nyong i-check by dividing it by 15 manually kasi bawal ang calculators for this type of competitions. So you have 52 divided by 15, so that is 3. 45, you have 73. 73 divided 15, so that's 460. So 73 minus 60, that's 13. Ito yung remainder natin. Paano naman, Sir IJ, kapag in-square na natin siya? Medyo mahirap na po siya, di ba? Actually, mahirap na siya kung i-divide mo yung i-square mo pa si 2023. Kapag in-square mo kasi yan, mahirapan ka, medyo matatagalan ka. But the thing here is, itong 2023 na to, kapag dinivide mo by 15, nakuha mo yung remainder. So the problem is just equivalent to what is the remainder when the summation of 13 raised to n from n equals 1 up to 2023 is divided by 15. So, ganun lang po siya. Kung mas mataas itong base natin dun sa divisor natin, pwede natin tong palitan or i-reduce into its remainder raised dun sa n natin. Ganun po yung technique sa kanya. So, paano na mangyari yan, Sir IJ? So, ibig sabihin pala, Sir IJ, kapag ano yan, kapag squared, pwede natin itong palitan as 13 squared. So, ilan ba ang 13 squared, mga Lodi Kicks? So, that is 169. Kapag itong 169, dinivide natin by 15, so pwede nyo manumanuhin, that is, ang remainder natin ay 4. So, pwede nyo i-check, mga Lodi Kicks, ha? Although mas madali dito yung negative remainder, pero for the meantime, dun muna tayo sa positive. So what if naman 2023 cube, Sir IJ? So by pattern mo na yung ituturo ko sa inyo dito, mga idol, ha? Huwag muna tayo masyado mag-advance. Siyempre, gusto ko muna matuto yung mga beginners natin. So paano naman yan, Sir IJ, kapag 2023 cube? So ang gagawin ko ba, Sir IJ, 169 multiplied by 13? Hindi po, mga Lodi Cakes. Itong 169, alam natin na ang remainder niya, kapag dinivide by 13 ay 4. So pwede mo siyang palitan ng 4, and then 4 times 13, that is 52. Ang 52, kapag dinivide mo by 15, ano remainder? That is 7. Okay? Last but not the least, 2023 raised to the 4th divided by 15. Same process. 'Di ba ang nakuha na nating remainder sa kanya is 7. Tapos yung una natin is 13 raised to 1. So ulitin ko, mga Lodi Cakes. Pwede natin ganitong gawin, mas madali. Alam natin na itong 2023 raised to the 4th is simply 2023 squared multiplied by itself. So parang itong remainder na 4, pwede mong i-times sa sarili niya. So 4 times 4, that is 16 divided by 15, ang remainder ay 1. Tapos kapag tinry mo siya, same pattern, uulit na siya. Babalik siya sa 13, in which this will repeat every 4 times. So kumbaga ang cyclicity niya is every 4. So, ibig sabihin, Sir IJ, kung apatan yan, ano yung pinaka-max natin? 2023. Ang gawin mo, divide mo yung 2023 by 4. So, anong lalabas dyan, Sir IJ? So, you have 504, remainder 3. Okay? Ay, sorry. This must be 505. Sorry, mga Lodi Cakes. That's 505, remainder of 3. So, ibig sabihin, ang gagawin natin is just 13 plus 4 plus 7 plus 1 multiplied by 505 plus the remainder, yung natira nating tatlo kasi may remainder 3 to. So, you have another 13 plus 4 plus 7. And then, di-divide natin sa 15. Sir IJ, do we multiply? Hindi na. Gawin natin. 13 plus 4, 17 plus 7, that is 22. 24 plus 1, that's 25. Multiplied by 505, mga Lodi Cakes, plus 13 plus 4, that's 17 plus 7, that's 24, divided by 15. So, dahil lahat yan sobra sa 15, so kunin na lang natin yung remainder ng 25 kapag dinivide by 15, so that's 10. Ito, pwede nyong manu-manuhing i-divide, 50, divide 15, so that's 3. Matitira is 55, tapos another 10, plus 24 divided by 15, so that's correct. That's remainder 9. Ito guys, baka malito po, mga remainders lang. 25 divide 15, remainder 10. 505 divide 15, remainder 10. 24 divided by 15, remainder 9. So 10 times 10, that's 100. Plus 9, so that is 109. Kapag dinivide natin to by 15, ang remainder niyan ay, okay, that is correct. So that is remainder 4. So ang sagot sa problem na to ay letter A. Okay, pero may mas madaling approach dyan para hindi na ganito kalaki yung numbers na gagamitin natin. But this time, gamit tayo ng negative remainders. Sige, ngayon ko na nga ipakita sa inyo mga Lodi Cakes. Wait lang, nasa na ba yung eraser ko? Saglit lang mga Lodi. Okay, so nakita ko na. So ganito yung gawin natin. So gamit tayo ng negative remainder. So this is the first solution for this problem. And for the second solution, mas papaikliin natin siya. Basta alam natin na nagre-repeat siya every 4 times. Okay. So, di ba guys, ang 2023, kapag dinivide natin by 15, ang remainder ay 13. So, pwede kasi natin gawin yan, 13 minus 15, that is negative 2. Kumbaga, ang remainder is negative 2. So, this is the application of negative remainders. So, 13 minus 15, that's negative 2. So, kumbaga, nireplace natin to with negative 2 raised to n. So, simula tayo sa 1. So, negative 2 raised to 1, that's negative 2. Negative 2 raised to 2, mga Lodi, that's positive 4. So, negative 2 raised to 3, that's negative 8. Last but not the least, negative 2 raised to 4, that is 16. Na kapag dinivide mo by 15 is remainder 1. Okay? So, that is also equivalent to remainder 1. Tapos, umuulit siya, di ba, every 4 times? So, gawin mo lang, negative 2 plus 4 plus negative 8 plus 1 times 505 plus yung natirang tatlo. Kasi, di ba, may tatlo tayong excess. Negative 2 plus 4 minus 8. So, that is negative 2 plus 4, mga idol. So, that is equivalent to 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8, that's negative 6 plus 1, that's negative 5 multiplied by 505. Negative 2 minus 8, that's negative 10 plus 4, that's minus 6. And then, pwede mo na siya ibalik, negative 15. So, 15 minus 5. So, ganun din kasi ang pupuntahan natin. So, 10 times 505 minus 6, so that's plus 9. Bakit naging plus 9, Sir IJ? 15 minus 6, that's positive 9. So, that is equivalent to same process. So, 505 divide 15, so that's 10. 109, you will still up with 4 as your remainder. So, the correct answer is letter A. If you have questions or clarifications, wag po kayo mahiya mag-comment sa comment section. Feel free to comment para masagot ni Sir IJ yung mga questions nyo. Thank you so much sa mga patuloy na sumusupport sa channel natin and keep safe. Kita-kits sa mga next tutorial videos ko. Bye-bye and God bless.